following information was obtained in the WAB-R manual. The items that you need to complete the WAB-R test are in the test kit.
There are a variety of sections to the assessment. The sections that are assessed are spontaneous speech, auditory verbal comprehension, repetition, name and word finding, reading, writing, constructional, visuospatial, and calculation tasks, and supplemental reading and writing tasks. The WAB-R is composed of 8 sections that contain a total of 32 tasks. The score from each section contributes to one or more of the 3 quotients that can be obtained from the WAB-R.
The aphasia quotient, AQ, allows you to calculate the severity by adding the spontaneous speech score, the auditory verbal comprehension score, the repetition score, and the naming and word finding score regardless of type or etiology. After adding the scores together, you multiply the sum by 2 to get the aphasia quotient. The aphasia quotient gives you the severity. 0 to 25 is very severe, 26 to 50 is severe, 51 to 70 is moderate, and 76 and above is mild. The aphasia quotient relates to the type of aphasia, which is found in the test manual and record form.
The language quotient, LQ, combines oral and written language scores to show the importance and relationship between the verbal and written modalities. The cortical quotient, CQ, includes the optional nonverbal tests, apraxia section, and written language.
Today we will be demonstrating on how to obtain the aphasia quotient and the language quotient. We will not be demonstrating how to obtain the cortical quotient since it is optional.
First, you need to complete an interview with the client, and the interview can be completed on the record form part 1 here in this box.
This is the spontaneous speech section. I am the client and Abby is the therapist.
How are you today?
So-so.
Have you been here before?
No.
What is your first and last name?
Bob Robert.
Part B of the spontaneous speech sample is in the stimulus book. You show the client this picture and ask them to tell you what is happening in this picture. Tell me what is happening in this picture.
He's reading a book. Car at the house. The girl is pouring. Tree. There are shoes. He's running. A dog.
The next section is the auditory verbal comprehension. We'll start with part A, yes/no questions. Is your name Smith?
No.
Is your name Brown?
No.
Is your name Moody?
Yes.
Do you live in Lafayette?
No.
This is part B, the auditory word recognition. We'll start with some objects and then move to the stimulus book. Show me the cup. Show me the matches. Show me the matches. Show me the cup. Show me the square. Show me the triangle. Show me the J. Show me the F. Show me the number 5. Show me the number 61. Show me the color blue. And show me the color brown. Now show me in the room where a window is. Show me where a chair is. Now we're going to go to body parts. Point to your ear. Point to your nose. Show me your thumb. And show me your ring finger. Now point to your right ear and point to your right shoulder. Now we will do part C, sequential commands. I'm going to ask you to do some things. Raise your hand. Shut your eyes. Now, do you see the pen, the comb, and the book? I will ask you to point to them and do things with them. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Point to the pen and the book. Point with the pen to the book. Now we are on the repetition section. Repeat these words. Say bed,
Bed,
nose,
nose,
pipe,
pipe,
window.
window.
Now we are on the naming and word finding section. Part A is object naming. I will present the objects in the ordered list and ask, what is this? What is this?
A book,
What is this?
a ball.
Part B is word fluency. Name as many animals as you can in 1 minute.
Cow, horse, pig, cow.
Part C, sentence completion. Complete what I say. For example, ice is cold. Number 1, the grass is,
Green,
sugar is.
sweet.
Part D, responsive speech. Answer the following questions. What do you write with?
A pencil.
What color is snow? How many days are in a week?
7. All scores obtained in the record form are shown in the score summary worksheet.
Now we are on record form part 2. This is the reading section. Part A, comprehension of sentences. Read this sentence and point to the missing word. Choose the best word from these.
The rain is wet. A soldier carries a gun.
Part B, reading commands. I want you to read this out loud and then do what it says.
Raise your hand. Wave goodbye.
Now we're on part C, written word object choice matching. Point to the object that goes with this word. Now we're on part D, written word picture choice matching. Point to the picture that goes with this word. Now we're on part E, picture written word choice matching. Point to the word that goes with this picture. Now we're on part F, spoken word written word choice matching. Show me the word flower. Now we will show part G, letter discrimination. This is found in the record form part 1. Next is part H, spelled word recognition. Tell me what word I spell. N-O.
No.
D-O-G.
Dog.
Now on to part I, spelling. Spell the word up.
U-P.
Spell the word cat.
C-A-T. This is the writing section. It has parts A through G. This is the score summary worksheet for part 2. It shows the language quotient.
Based on our findings, our client has Broca's aphasia. His prognosis is good with speech therapy given in 60-minute sessions twice a week. An example of a goal will be